Hi. Trying to replace Trane baysenso019cm thermostat with a Honeywell RTH7600. Trane wires are: red wire, 7 status input, heat yellow wire, 8 status input cool blue -9 status input on brown -10 status input, service green -11 transformer common orange, 12 data, communications link white, 14 power 24 vac hot transformer. Need to translate wires to Honeywell CGYWRC or W2Y2. Thank you for any help.
Hello, this thermostat will not work unless you install a CTI board. Coventional Thermostat Interface. Trane commercial units use DC control, thus the numbers. The letters are for conventional AC thermostats. Billy.
Do you know if there is a thermostat like the Honeywell RTH7600D touchscreen that will work?
The only ones that will work are Trane programmable and non-programmable thermostats. Trane does not offer a touch screen. I am afraid to utilize a different thermostat, including the touch screen, that you would need to have the CTI board installed. The board installed is about $390 for 25 parts and labor. I know it is a pain. But Trane is the only company that dedicated their controls this way. Billy.
We have 3 other Tranes here that have Honeywell thermostats and one is a touchscreen. It's a Trane Voyager. How do you check for CTI board?
Follow the wires into the unit. There will be a series of circuit boards. Check the circuit board that the thermostat wire attaches to. See if you can locate terminals that mimic the thermostat. R, G, Y, W, C. There are some Trane units that ship with a board that enables either DC or AC control. But most all Trane units are to spec for a given job/project, so I cannot tell you if the unit has one or not. It would take getting into the unit where the thermostat wire attaches. Then see if numerical, as well as lettered terminals are available.
Hello Billy, okay. Here is a picture of the unit I want to put the new thermostat on. Here is the link /f01.justAnswer.com/ref/http_spectrastudios.us/ac. JPG. So can I match the wires from the numbers to the letters and then the same on the thermostat? In other words, is this a DC, AC control board? If so, I know what the red, white, yellow, and green would be. Where would the others go? I.e. blue, orange, brown. Thanks. Rick.
Excellent. Is this a heat pump? Once I know that we are good to go. A couple of those will not be used depending on answer. If standard heating and cooling. All we will need is red, green, yellow and white and possibly blue to calm on circuit board and at C on thermostat.
Hi there Billy, they are not heat pumps. They are AC with gas heat. Do you need pictures of the unit and thermostat I'm trying to install? THNX.
If not heat pump, you do not need the orange wire hooked to O. All you need is R, G, Y, W, C hooked accordingly at both ends of the thermostat wire.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.